In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Slack background color in just 5 minutes. Personalizing your Slack workspace's appearance can help you create a more enjoyable and visually appealing environment to work in. Once you've mastered these steps, you'll have a workspace that truly reflects your personal style. To get started, let's open your favorite web browser and head over to Slack's website. Type in the URL or use a search engine to find Slack easily. Once you're there, you'll want to make your way to the sign-in page. If you use Google to manage your account, conveniently click on the Sign In with Google option. This will save you from manually entering your credentials. After signing in, you'll arrive at your Slack dashboard, the central hub where all your channels and conversations reside. Now, direct your attention to your profile icon, usually located in the top right corner of the interface. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu. Here, you'll notice an option labeled Preferences. Give that a click. This section is essentially the control panel for personalizing various settings on your Slack. Within the Preferences menu, you will see several categories. Look for the one titled Appearance. This is where you can change how Slack looks and feels to your liking. After clicking Appearance, you'll encounter a subsection for Slack themes. Click there to unlock a variety of color themes that Slack offers. Slack provides you with several predefined color schemes to choose from, making it simple to tailor your workspace exactly how you like it. Browse through the options and find one that resonates with your personal taste or makes your workspace more soothing or vibrant depending on your preference. Keep in mind that the theme you choose not only changes the color of your background but also affects other UI elements, giving your Slack a totally new ambiance. With these few steps, adjusting your Slack background color becomes a breeze. It's an easy way to make your digital workspace feel more welcoming and aligned with your personal preferences. Anytime you feel like a change, just revisit these steps and pick a new theme to freshen things up. And there you have it, a quick and accessible method to change your Slack background color, enhancing your work environment in no time. Enjoy your new personalized workspace and don't hesitate to experiment with different themes whenever you wish. Thank you for joining today's tutorial and happy customizing.